And what's happening YouTube, it's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we finally got the AirPod Max. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can notify on this video's comment, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my below on fibcedmonton.ca, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. So basically I just got this from the mail yesterday, and the funny part about this is actually the fake AirPods Max. Today we're going to show you how good it is and how well it's built and what kind of features it has as well. It just comes with the AirPods Max and also the little case just like normal. Comment below as well if this is different from if you have the original AirPods Max. We're going to show you the details here, and let me know in the comments below if it's not the same, if something's different, right? So it comes with this little case right here. Let's take off the plastic here. I think this is definitely different because this is just some garbage packaging, right? It didn't even come with the box. I ordered this off of Alibaba. There we go. There it is. Boom. So this AirPods Max up here has a mesh. It's kind of hollow, but it has a mesh kind of style there. So it sits on top of your head. Out here as the muffs, this is adjustable as well, just by pulling it down. It's quite hard, so it's not gonna move. The device also is quite hefty, pretty surprising. There you go. The muffs is removable like this, so you can buy different muffs and place it on there. It also has the R and L in the middle there, as you guys can see. Boom. The other side is also removable and it's magnetic. There you go. On the top here it has a button, little ring, like the crown, kind of like the same thing as the Apple Watch there, and it also has a power button right there. Let's go ahead and pair this with our phone. Let's see what we get. It should come up with the UI like so. Boom, AirPods Max. Let's hit connect, and there you go. It also connects like the original. There's a little UI there. It says media control, showing you that that's the volume button there, and also the digital crown. And there you go, in the control center. Let's hit skip on this as well. And as you can see there, it shows you the name of the device there is T32. It's not actually AirPods Max, but it still has this UI right here. Let's hit done. There you go. Let's try this out. Left and right. Go. Let's adjust this to our ears. Boom. So let's see if I can actually adjust the volume here. Yeah, you can. There you go. You can play and pause. You could change the volume there, which is really good. You can bring up Siri as well. Nice. It also has live listen right there, and you can change the background sounds by changing a balance noise right there. You can also use live action right there at the same time, which is really cool. Now the other thing as well that we need to look at is, does it have this spatial noise? You can change that right here as well. There's a transparency, there's noise cancellation, and then there's off. There you go. It also has the head track. There's also the fixed and the off. Now the funny part about this, it actually changes as you move it. So that's really cool. You can really tell that there's a difference between them. So far, every feature of the AirPods Max and even the weight of it is actually everything works. So um, let me know in the comments below, like I said earlier, if it's on par to what the original is. Besides than that, it only costed me about $50 or $60 Canadian, $50 US to get this. You know, really quite a flex there, but I'm sure there are still other features that are not the same um, on the original to this little fake one right here. But you know, if you are too cheap, then you can still get one of these. I wish it comes with the box. I did order something with the box, but I still didn't get the box. I just got the device. So that's one downfall of this. You're also not sure if you're gonna get the nice quality or a bad quality as well, right? So there are things to consider as well, right? But actually, AirPods Max already went down on the price. You can find them on sale now because they've been out for a while. So you guys go ahead and check that out. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new AirPods Max. Obviously, the fake ones right here. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out much below at 130.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.